Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2006 Sierra 2500 HD. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, steel wheels, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season. Inside you'll find security system, power outlet, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, split bench seat, passenger airbag. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
The all-new Daytona Nissan. We make it easier. Easier because 19 acres of 1,000 new Nissans means we have the right vehicle for you. Easy to own because every new Daytona Nissan comes with a lifetime warranty. And easy to service because the state-of-the-art facility and express lane makes servicing any vehicle easier. Easy to enjoy free refreshments and Wi-Fi while the kids play. Waiting is quick and easy. Come check out the all-new Daytona Nissan just under the big flag at the Automall. I-95 at LPGA Boulevard.
Make your move to Daytona Nissan.
At Daytona Nissan, it's easier.